Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the update of the Equate meal replacement shake. The Equate is I think it's a Walmart brand because I've only seen it at Walmart, so I think it's their own personal brand. And it says it's compared to Slim Fast. Now I originally went in Walmart to actually get the Slim Fast like powder in the can, the original formula, but they were out. But it said it was in stock. I didn't even see a label on the shelf for it, but here we go. So I decided to buy these so I can take these or drink these in the mornings when I go to work really early and I don't have time to make anything really quickly because I'm just like slow in the morning and just lollygagging around. But so this is the strawberry and cream one, and it comes with 10 grams of protein, 190 calories, 27 vitamins and minerals, and 5 grams of fiber. And it says ready to drink, contains 24 essential vitamins. And you can serve it, you can drink it room temperature or cold. I decided to drink it cold because I figured it would have tasted better. But these are all the vitamins on the back for it. It's gluten free in case you're wondering. And it says directions: shake well, serve chilled or over ice. Refrigerate after opening to maintain product safety. Well, if you have to refrigerate after a drink, if you want to drink half of it, that's weird because you won't be full. So I did take my Garcinia Cambogia pills like 30-40 minutes before I actually, when I first woke up, I take them. So by the time I leave the house, it's time for me to like eat something. So I drank this last week and it was really good. I was shocked that I was like, oh my gosh, I hope this don't taste nasty, but I can say the taste tastes like an Ensure. So if you like the Ensure flavor, like you know the Ensure milks, that's what it tastes like to me. But I haven't had Ensure since I was probably like a teenager, but I remember the taste because I'm a very picky eater, so I know like how my taste buds are. But it was really good. And this is a 11-ounce bottle. Like all the Ensures and other meal replacement shakes, they're like 8 ounces, but this is 11 ounces, and it is all the way full, all the way to the top. So I remember drinking this probably like 6:30 in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning, and my stomach didn't like start growling until maybe 1 o'clock. Because I was trapped at work, so I couldn't get away till like 1 o'clock. But when I took my Garcinia Cambogia pills, because I was preparing my body to eat, when I got home, I wasn't hungry. My stomach had stopped growling, so I don't know, those really like crave my hunger. Is weird. But this in particular is very good, and it did last all morning. I didn't take anything, well, I didn't eat anything else for like 7 hours, and it wasn't intentional. It just was like I just was busy. And yeah, so I only drank this, and then throughout the morning and early afternoon I just drink water because that's what I normally do anyway. But this is a strawberry and cream version, so since it was so good, I'm gonna try the other ones. But this was the only one that was actually in stock on the shelf when I went. But I wasn't gonna buy all 3 or 4 flavors until I realized if I like this one or not. Like I said, the calorie was only 190, so that was pretty good. That it filled me up for like the morning for at least 5-6 hours. I wasn't hungry. But it also was taken in conjunction with my Garcinia and Cambogia pills. I feel like if you don't take any appetite suppressant or anything of that nature, this won't make you full because it's only 190 calories. I feel like if I was my old self without the pills, I would still be starving after drinking this. So that's my own like personal opinion or anything like that. It didn't like constipate me with it being a milkshake, well, meal replacement shake. It didn't like have me feeling weird or anything like that. So yeah. And so if you're gluten free, so this is good for you. If you like gluten free, And it says it does contain soy and milk, so if you are allergic to any of those, it does have it in there. And it does have the other ingredients in there as well. And like I said, this came in a 6-pack from Wal Mart. It was I think it was $5.88 or something like that. Some weird number. Don't quote me on it, but it was less than $6. It was definitely 5 something. And it is tax on it because it's like not food, so keep that in mind as well. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if I go back there and I find the other flavors, I will be doing a video on it and a review on those flavors as well. And I will come back later after I finish like the bottle to give you my final update on it when I finish the other 6 packs. But I don't drink these every morning, only when I have to be there extremely early. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave it down below. And I'll be sure to answer it to the best of my abilities. And if you tried these, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you want to write to my advice column, DanniGivesAdvice@gmail.com. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.